Heidi here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY ball drop game that you can play inside or outside with your friends and family. So to make this game, you'll need some plastic gardening fencing, some sticks like these wooden dowels or even skewer sticks, some plastic balls like these or even tennis balls or ping pong balls, tape, and scissors. So let's get started. So first, start by cutting a piece of your fencing and forming it into a circle like this, and tape it closed. And it should stand up like this. And this is your game. So now you can start setting up your game. So take your sticks and you're going to poke them through the fencing. So make sure you have enough space on the top so the balls can sit on the sticks, and enough space on the bottom so they can drop down. So go ahead and start poking your sticks through at about the middle and poke them through at different angles. You can add as many or as little sticks as you'd like, depending on how many people are playing the game. That looks pretty good. And now go ahead and start putting the balls in the top. And there's your game. To play this game, each player pulls one stick out at a time, and the player that drops the most balls is the one that loses. So let's see how many sticks I can pull before all the balls drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's try this one. 5, 6, 7, oh no! 8, 9, and 10. I hope you have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye!